Dear students, today our topic is Pythagoras theorem. By the name, it seems like it's a very difficult topic, but it's very easy. So if you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos regarding these topics. Now we move towards the topic. Our topic is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is only applicable on a right angle triangle. So first of all, what is a right angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree and the other two angles are less than 90. That triangle is known as a right angled triangle, like this one. Other two angles are acute angles. Acute angles, what are acute angles? Which are less than 90 degree. And one angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so that is known as a right angled triangle. So why I am explaining you the right angle triangle? Because by the right angle triangle we have derived the Pythagoras theorem. For example, I am telling you that I have a right angle triangle ABC. These are the vertices of this triangle. What about the side BC? BC is the base of this triangle. Okay, it's the base. And we all know that we have another word for the 90-degree angle, that is perpendicular. Perpendicular means a line which makes an angle of 90 degree on another line segment or a line. So AB is the perpendicular because it's making an angle of 90 degree on BC. Okay, it's perpendicular. Simply, perpendicular means a line or a line segment which makes an angle of 90 degree on another line or a line segment. Okay, so this is perpendicular, and the third side which is remaining, which is opposite to the perpendicular, this one AC, that is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. So by these three terms we have made a Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem now? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the squares of the base, sum of the squares of base and perpendicular, PERP. In the short form we write like this. This is basically Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, that the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of the squares of base and perpendicular. Like for example, I want to check that these like for example I have 3, 4 and 9. I want to check these are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So I can check it by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, because it's only applicable on a right angle triangle. Okay, because I have explained you about the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse, it's only possible in a right angle triangle. So remember this thing, students, that you can apply Pythagoras theorem only on right angle triangles, not on other types of triangles. Okay, so I want to check, it's an example, I want to check these are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, how would I know that what is the base, what is the perpendicular and what is the hypotenuse? I am giving you a trick that the longest side is always the hypotenuse. So the longest side is 9. So 9 will be the hypotenuse. I am putting the values in the Pythagoras theorem. Instead of base and perpendicular, we can arrange them accordingly. 3 square plus 4 square. Maybe it's the base, it's the perpendicular. First of all, we check that when we take the square, the both sides are same or not. If the both sides are same, then these are the sides of a right angle triangle, otherwise not. 9 square means 9 times 9, that is 81. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. So when I add them, I will get 25. So we all know that 81 is not equals to 25. So it means these are not the sides of a right angled triangle. So this is the role of a Pythagoras theorem. So if you like my video, students, then please hit the bell icon, also hit the like button of my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share with other students. So I'm telling you again that don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos.